Okay, step out of the vehicle. No, step out of the vehicle.
Do you have the right to call your attorney prior to a DUI investigation? Well, when former NFL star Tony Romo was recently stopped and investigated for suspected impaired driving, police asked him to step out of his vehicle and perform field sobriety tests. Romo then asked if he could first call his lawyer prior to the cops continuing their investigation. At that point, because he was merely being investigated for DUI and had not yet been arrested, he did not have the right to call his attorney first and delay the DUI investigation. Why? Because the constitutional right to an attorney does not attach when you are merely being investigated for a crime. However, even though you don't have the right to call your lawyer first, you still have critically important constitutional protections. You still, for example, have the right to remain silent and the right to not answer any questions about what you're doing, where you've been, where you're going, and how much you may have had to drink. Remember also that you have the right to decline field sobriety exercises. They are voluntary tests, and cops are not required to tell you that at all. So even though you do not have the right to call your lawyer prior to a DUI investigation, always remember you have the right to decline field sobriety tests altogether. And it's a very important right you should exercise if you're ever involved in that situation.